Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Blessing and I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. To my old subscribers, you are welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this black smoky eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. My brows is already done off camera and I'm just diving straight into my eye makeup. First, I am using the LA Pro Concealer in Cool Tan as my base. You always want to start your eye makeup with a clean base. This allows, the makeup to stay longer and makes it easier to blend. I always emphasize on this. Always start your eye makeup with a clean base so that your makeup can sit well or your eyeshadow can sit well on your skin. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with this mid-tone color from Imagic 30 color eyeshadow palette in Toffee, and I'm just going to be blending this color all over my crease area. I'll just be going from the inner corner to the outer corner of my eyes. This mid-tone color is serving as my transition shade. I'm going to be building it again with another brown color from the same Imagic 30 color eyeshadow palette, and this shade is cinnamon. I'm just going to be blending that on the crease, going in again just all over, just to give it that just to pop out that color from the black I'm going to be using on the lid. Next, I am going in with the Mabrook black eye pencil. I am just going to spread this pencil all over my eyelid. This is going to be the base for the smoky eye, and I'm just going in with this Morphe brush to blend everything into my lid area. I'm just spreading everything around so that my eyeshadow can sit properly on it. And I went in with the black color eyeshadow called Sable from the same Imagic palette, and I'm just applying this on top of the eye pencil just to kind of lock it and put the eyeshadow in place. I'm just going to be using this all over my lid, taking it a little bit to my crease just to give it that smooth finish, and so that everything will just blend evenly. Guys, the key to getting a flawless smoky eye makeup is blending. People tend to run away from that because they feel smoky eye is too dramatic, is too all over the place, and it will make them look awkward. No. Smoky eye suits everybody. All you need to do is blend. When you're applying your black smoky eye, your brown smoky eye, make sure that it is well blended to get that flawless look at the end of your makeup. Trust me, you will love how everything will come in place. So smoky eye, the key to it is blending. Blend until you get that desired finished look. Next, I'll be using my liquid liner to draw a thin line on my lower eyelid, and I'm going to be using the Mabrook liquid eyeliner to achieve this. Next, I am using mascara, and I'm using the 4-in-1 wing mascara from Zaron Cosmetics. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Zaron Pore Minimizer to do this. I'm just going to be applying it all over the areas where I oil out and where I have hyperpigmentation. This is just to help smoothen it out and help my foundation to easily sit on my skin. Next, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector, and I'm just going to be applying this on the areas where I have dark circles. One of the benefits of this concealer is it helps to take out, dark circles, or will I say helps to cancel out dark circles from part of our skin and just give us that perfect undertone that we're looking for. For my foundation, I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Toffee Caramel. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. I love the consistency of this foundation. I love the fact that it's a full coverage foundation. It helps to cover up every hyperpigmentation and imperfection. I just love how consistency it is on my skin, and I'm just going to be using this beauty sponge to apply this, to blend this on my face. Guys, lately I'm just loving beauty sponge rather than using makeup brush to give you that airbrush finish, but I just love to use beauty sponge to just give me that. I don't know, I just love to use beauty sponge these days. What do you think? What do you like to use? Do you like to use beauty sponge or foundation brush? Comment below and let me know. For my highlights, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan and Medium Beige. I'm just going to be applying this in the areas where I need to highlight. I'm going to be going under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, and very little on my forehead. I don't want so much on my forehead, very little on my forehead. And I'm going back with the darker shade, which is a Cool Tan. I'm just going to use it still under my eyes, and yeah, I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and blend everything into my skin. To line my waterline, I went in with the Mabrook Extreme Black Eye Pencil. I am taking the black color eyeshadow from the Imagic palette and I'm using this color to smudge below my waterline. Next, I am going to go ahead to apply my highlighter and I'm using the Master Chrome Metallic highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just using very little amount of this product to apply in the areas where I need to highlight, like on the apple of my cheekbone, very little amount on my forehead and the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going in with the 12 color face and lip paint case from Who's That Girl, and I'm using the brown color from this lip palette to line my lips. Guys, I've used this palette before in one of my videos. I'm going to be linking it up so you can watch how I use this palette to achieve both my blush and also my lips. I used it. I love the pigment in it. I love how smooth and glossy it is. Very nice. Next, I'm going to be going in with this nude color from the same palette to in the middle of my lip, just to give my lip just to pop my lip out and give a different look. And yeah, next I'm going to be using a lip gloss to give my lips a shine. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you learned something out of this, and also I hope it came in handy. Let me know your thoughts on this look. Will you be trying out this look? If you're going to be doing that, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know your difficulties and what you face trying this look out. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Please like this video. It helps YouTube to recommend me to other people who want to watch this video. Like, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and have a blessed week.